So my final review about BOHO Locs hair or whatever. I don't know if you can notice or if you notice, but let me turn around. I took the loose hair out that was crocheted in. I took that hair out, and so I'm just left with the faux locks. The reason why I took that hair out was because it was getting so like matted, like within the third day it was like so matted and tangled within each dread, and it's just, I didn't like the look of it. I know some people did and do, but I didn't like that look, and I couldn't like really, you know, move my braids around like this without it just being all stiff together because it was so matted with the loose hair. So I took that hair out, which was easy because it just, I only had like a little bit in there, and I just went through and it was crocheted in, so just basically untie the knot and take the hair out. So now I'm just left with the dreaded hair. So now I don't have the mermaid locks anymore. I just have the regular locks, and I'm digging this much better. It's, you know, easy to maintain. I don't have to worry about it getting all matted. But other than that, I love the hair. I love how it looks, and I had it in now for a month, so you know, it still looks good. And would I buy again from BOHO Locs? Yes, I would, because I really enjoy this hair and I get compliments everywhere I go. And yeah, that is my review. But I'm just gonna tell you how I maintain my hair or whatever. So of course, like when I get my hair done, it's going to be a little bit of tension, but not like to the point where your edges are falling out or anything like that. But like if your hair feel like a little itchy or anything like that, I use this, and this is Sulfur 8. It's dandruff treatment for braids, but it prevents dry, itchy scalp. So, and it feels good like when you spray it on your scalp or whatever. And this is what I use. If I have an itchy scalp, I'll use this, and it always helps. But like my itchy scalp is normally gone. Like it probably start like 2 days after I have my hair done, and then I use this, and it's gone within like a day or two. So it's not never like a bad thing. If it is, I wouldn't get a protective style. But so this is what I use for itchy scalp or whatever. And then when I want to oil my scalp, I use this, and this is also by Sulfur 8, and this is Lock, Twist, and Braid Oil. That's what I use, and I love the nozzle because it's easy, you know, to get in there and put it all in your hair and go between my cornrows, because I got cornrows in the back. But it's easy to get in there with this. So I use this, and this feels good as well. And when I want to like, once my hair is getting old and like my edges are coming out of the, you know, the braids or the twist or whatever, I have my Old Faithful toothbrush and Eco Styler Gel, and I use this to lay down my edges or whatever. And that's basically it. At nighttime, I put a scarf on my head, and I take all the rest of the hair that's hanging and wrap it around like this, and put my bonnet on top just to keep it like off my back or off my neck, free from getting wet, you know, in the shower. So that's basically it. Nothing major. So spray this if you have an itchy scalp. When I want to oil my scalp, use this. When I want to lay down my edges, use this. That's basically it. So I hope this video helped you all.